Transform engineering education with TecQuipment in today's video on DefleX 3D from our optical extensometry range. DefleX 3D is an entry-level digital image correlation system used to teach students how to visualize and measure deformations, displacements, motions, and strains. With the 3D camera, the images captured are computed with the DefleX software that uses digital image correlation, DIC, principles to evaluate the results of tests such as tensile, bending, and torsion in real time on a variety of TecQuipment products. The data gathered can then be visualized in the software in the form of vectors, color maps, and a 3D graphic showing the shape of the deformation. This allows students to physically see the processes taking place in real time, especially useful in visualizing processes that normally must be inferred, such as bending moments on a beam under load. When purchased, you're provided with a camera system, 4 lenses, 2 12 and 2 25mm lenses, a USB hasp and flash drive, black backdrop, 2 light mounting arms, 2 LED lights, camera tripod, black and white marker pens, and 3 DefleX calibration grids in small, medium, and large. Additional purchase options available include 6 additional lenses which optimize accuracy, a DefleX starter kit, and a DIC speckling kit. Cased inside the rectangular main DefleX unit are the cameras, each with a resolution of 6.3 megapixels and a relay for light control. If required, underneath the unit is a screw hole which can be used to attach the unit onto the tripod's base plate. This can then be used to place the unit at the desired distance to perform the measurements. For the cameras to work properly, the system needs to be well focused and the aperture needs to be set according to the lighting conditions. For the camera to detect movement in the specimen being examined, it is necessary for the surface to be covered in a high contrast pattern. This creates a unique feature in the image for the software to track. The DefleX 3D software will need to be downloaded onto a suitable computer. When logged into the system, you'll be able to calibrate, test, and analyze your experiment. Calibrating the system is essential to be able to measure anything. Calibration tells the camera the scale of the specimen, the distance to the specimen, and the specimen's orientation and positioning. Using DefleX 3D is as simple as preparing a specimen, recording footage, and analyzing the data. The advantage is the ability to record live footage and use post-process. This records the footage and saves it directly to the computer, where you can apply as many probes as you like to your recording. And all the data collected can be exported into Excel for further analysis. You can review or edit your footage multiple times and analyze the data whenever, wherever. DefleX 3D can be used to visualize material behaviors under pressure, component testing when subject to tensile load, soft material deformations, component responses to external vibration, column or struts reacting under axial compressions, and strain concentration areas for optimizing durability and reliability. In most industry applications, 3D DIC is normally preferred because 2D DIC requires a purely planar test piece to obtain precise results. 3D DIC is arbitrary, more complex, but robust and has increased versatility over 2D DIC. DefleX 3D is a great tool for visual learners and teaches students about the DIC technique. It can be used as an add-on to existing TecQuipment products, or as its own standalone product that can be used anywhere, like outside on bridges, buildings, or concrete structures. So, whether you're looking to revolutionize your teaching methods, or to create interactive, engaging lessons, DefleX 3D is the visualization tool you've been searching for. For more information on this product and others, visit our website and contact us today. A full list of compatible TecQuipment products can be found in the description box below. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to see the latest updates from us.